Ranger station, a gateway to nature's wonders. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, ranger station. This term is not only interesting in its structure but also in its cultural and environmental significance. Let's dive in and understand what a ranger station is and why it matters. A ranger station is a facility used by park rangers and forest rangers. These stations serve as operational bases in national parks, forests, or other natural areas. They are crucial for the management of these areas, offering a place for rangers to perform their duties, which include protecting wildlife, preserving nature, and helping visitors. Ranger stations often have information centers, where visitors can learn about the park and its rules, get maps, and sometimes buy permits. At a ranger station, you'll often find park rangers. These are the guardians of nature. They have a wide range of responsibilities, from enforcing park rules to conducting wildlife conservation efforts. Rangers also provide educational programs to visitors, explaining the ecological significance of the area, and sometimes conduct rescue operations for lost or injured hikers. Their role is vital in balancing human activity with the preservation of natural habitats. If you're visiting a national park or forest, stopping at a ranger station can be very informative. Here, you can ask questions about hiking trails, weather conditions, wildlife sightings, and any safety advice. It's also a place to report any problems or emergencies. Remember, ranger stations are there to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience in nature. In English, the phrase, ranger station, is a compound noun, where ranger describes the type of station. It's a specific term used in the context of outdoor activities and environmental conservation. This phrase is a great example of how English often combines words to create new meanings. I hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand what a ranger station is, the important role of park rangers, and how you can interact with these stations during your outdoor adventures. Remember, learning English opens doors to understanding not just language, but also culture, nature, and so much more. Keep exploring, and until next time, happy learning!